You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know a lot of people, a lot of you, get confused by it. Stay tuned if you want to learn more pronunciations. There are quite a few different pronunciations here. Now, this can be used as a verb or as a noun. Let's start with the verb. It's pronounced in British English as expatriate. Expatriate. In the US, it's normally pronounced as expatriate. Alright, so that's when it's used as a verb. Now, as a noun, well, you have the same difference between UK and US, and the end is a bit different. So as a noun in British English, in the UK, it's pronounced as expatriate, expatriate, or expatriate. So as a verb, expatriate or expatriate. As a noun, expatriate or expatriate. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.